Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Opencart Marketplace Multi Shipping plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the marketplace sellers to enable multiple shipping methods for the buyers. Now whichever methods the seller has enabled, those methods would be available to the buyers at the checkout time for the seller's product. The sellers can enable multiple shipping methods as well. So if the multiple shipping methods have been enabled by the seller, then the customers can select from the list of the available ones for the respective seller there at the time of checkout. So the buyers can select different shipping services from different sellers in the same order. So if there are two different products of two different sellers and both of the sellers have enabled multiple shipping methods, then the buyer can select the different shipping services from different sellers in the same order there. So in today's video I'll be showing you the workflow of the same at the customer's end, and we'll be checking out the initial configurations that are required for this particular plugin. But before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the marketplace storefront, and here I've added two products. One is the black and white straw hat by John Doe, and the another one is of the marketplace admin himself. So here we are having two different products from two different sellers there. Now if the customer taps here on the checkout button, he'll be redirected to the checkout there. So let me enter the details here for my billing and the delivery details. And on the delivery method section here, you'll find the Webkul multi shipping, as you can see. So here we have one product, that's the black and white straw hat, and the another one is the automatic membership that we had added into the cart. If you remember here, the automatic membership and the black and white straw hat there. So each of these products are from two different sellers. So according to the seller, you can see for the products of the respective sellers, we have the different shipping methods available for each of the products there. For black and white straw hat, we have only one shipping method, that's the Webkul custom shipping. For the automatic membership, we are having the marketplace RMX shipping and the Webkul custom shipping as well. So now the customer can choose the shipping within the same order, or we can see that the buyer can select different shipping services from different sellers in the same order and can then proceed further to place the order there. So here you can see that for the Webkul multi shipping, I've selected Webkul custom shipping for the black and white straw hat, and for the automatic membership I've chosen the let's select the Webkul custom shipping there for $5. After that, what the customer just needs to do is he needs to tap on the continue button as he does in the normal workflow there. Then choose his payment methods, tap on the continue button, and before placing the order, he can see the complete amount of the shipping there for both of the products there. That's the $15. So if I go back to now let's proceed further to confirm the order by tapping on the confirm order button. And as soon as the order has been placed, we can view the history of the order. And here we are having the order number 110, and if I view this particular order, I can see the shipping method selected by the customer was Webkul multi shipping, and the amount for the Webkul multi shipping was $15, as you can see. Now the same can also be done in the cart as well. So for example, let me go ahead and let me add the same products once again into the cart there, and then I'll show you the cart page. So I'll just go ahead and I'll search for the product there. Just give me a second for that. So I'll add the straw, and I'll search for the automatic product there. I'll add it into the cart. So we are having two products from two different sellers. Let's view the cart. So here as well, the customers can estimate the shipping in taxes, and by tapping the get quotes button. So we are having two different products from two different sellers there, And now, depending upon the methods or the shipping methods enabled by those sellers for their customers, will have the shipping methods available within the same order. We can select the shipping method for multiple sellers as well. So here for the black and white straw hat, I can choose custom shipping, and for the automatic membership as well, I can choose Webkul custom shipping, and that would be total of $15 there. Now this was the customer's workflow. Now let me show you how the marketplace sellers would be able to enable the shipping methods for their buyers. So for that, they have to go to my account section, and on the right hand side under the marketplace block, they have to go to one option here, that is manage multi shipping. So you just need to tap on the manage multi shipping option, and that will bring up the complete list of shipping methods there. And from here, the seller needs to select the shipping method according to his convenience, which he wants to provide to his buyers. So you can see that because this seller product was there in the cart a few moments ago, the black and white straw hat, and you could remember that we were having the custom shipping available for that, because only the custom shipping was enabled. Similarly for the admin, we had the custom shipping and the Aramac shipping. So whichever shipping methods that you have enabled here for your buyers would be available for your products there. So whenever the customer tries to make a checkout, at the checkout time, they'll be able to see the available shipping methods for your products there for selection. So same goes for the multiple sellers as well, if there are multiple sellers there. So this was the seller's end. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see what different configuration settings are there. So I've already logged into the admin backend panel. So here what we need to do is to make the initial configuration settings, we'll navigate through extensions and extension, and here we'll be choosing shipping, and here we'll be going to the Webkul's multi shipping module, and we'll be tapping here in the edit button under the actions column. So here you can see that we are on the Webkul multi shipping configuration page. Now here you'll be able to set up the title that is visible to the customers at the checkout time. So this was the same title that the customers saw at the time of checkout there under the shipping methods there. That was Webkul multi shipping. Then we have the status. Here you can enable or disable this particular functionality of the multi shipping within your store by choosing enable or disabled. Then we have view other shipping methods as well. So if you want to display the other shipping methods as well, then you can choose enabled, otherwise you can choose this option as disabled. Then you have apply the marketplace methods upon the admin products. So if you want to apply the marketplace methods upon the admin products, then you need to select this option as enabled, otherwise you can choose this option as disabled for the time being there. And after making these 3-4 settings here, you just need to tap here on the save configuration button to save the configuration settings. So that was how this particular plugin works. That's the Opencart Marketplace Multi Shipping plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.